Karibu guys, today we'll be giving a tour of the DreamTech robot cleaner. So for guys who have been doing or cleaning your homes the old-fashioned way, today I'll be showing you the robot cleaner, which will help you mop and clean your house at the same time.
Solve this problem. Problem solved.
Cleaning and mopping your house. So from wherever you are, let's say you are in Mombasa, Kisumu, you are anywhere. Let's say Diani, Ukunda, Nyeri, Wapi. This is what you need. This is the game changer. And for most those guys, to bachelors, this is what you need in your house. If you are also a bachelorette, or if you are a mom, if you are a dad, this is what you need to buy for your wife or for your home. For guys who have barbershop salons, this is also what you need, because you're dealing with also a lot of client here. So you all of the time, you don't need to be constantly vacuuming your business or your salon or your barbershop. So this is what you can be using all the time. So it will be just working automatically. Remember, you can also have this one, which is get one that is pet friendly. So you can be able to mop and clean your house at the same time with the robot cleaner. Yeah, so guys, this is just the first unboxing. So if you just have a look at it, this is just how it looks straight out of the box. So this is how it will look. So let me just put it out of the box and put it here. So that is what you get out of the box. If you can see it, that's just how it looks. User manual, that's the normal one. This is the charging dock. So the charging dock is where it will be going to charge itself once you've unboxed the robot cleaner. So this is where it will be automatically going to charge itself. You have your own power cord, and you also have your other these are the bristles or the brushes. So it comes with various brushes which you can also substitute once you're done cleaning. So let me just show you. These are the brushes that it comes with. It comes with one extra brush, plus it comes with this mopper. I don't know, are you guys seeing it? This is the mopper that you can attach. So let me just pull this out and just show you how it looks. How it will look. Let me just open it for you. Yeah, so this is the robot vacuum cleaner. So this is just how it will look. So you have your home button. So the home button is for going back to the dock. So this is, I'll just show you the dock. So the dock is this. So this is where. And what actually the second advantage is that you can also be able to pair it with your Alexa. So why am I saying Alexa? Alexa enables you to give it voice commands. So one, naweza kuwa naiambia Alexa, tell the robot cleaner to clean the sitting room. Alexa, tell the robot cleaner to clean the whole house. And this can happen, let's say, once I've downloaded the Alexa app. So I download the Alexa app and connect the Alexa. So the Alexa, I have the Alexa Echo Show 5, which will be able to also communicate with the robot cleaner. So what does that mean? I can be able to clean the house even if I'm not in Kenya. If, let's say, I've traveled to Mombasa, I've traveled to Kisumu for, let's say, like 3 weeks or a month. I've traveled to outside the country, and the house is just like that. What I'll just be able to do is just log into my app and tell the robot cleaner to clean wherever I want the house, wherever in the house I want it to clean. Let's just see the magic. Voila!